In the case of a Sinter-1 firmware error, one or more error codes will display on the touchscreen, indicating the nature and source of each error. I would like to note that while the Sinter is in an error state, the inert gas continues to flow to ensure a safe environment inside the furnace tube. Each error code is issued from a specific sensor, but a given code may have many possible causes. For example, an ADC error high code may be caused by a wide range of issues, not just a clog in a specific location. Markforged support uses machine logs and telemetry data to perform differential diagnosis of machine errors. This video lists common Sinter-1 error messages along with possible causes and initial troubleshooting steps. However, this is not a comprehensive list and does not substitute for a thorough investigation by support. Also, in case of any firmware error, even the ones listed in this video, you should always contact support immediately. The first code we're going to go over is the ADC error high. The sensor is going to be the process sensor, and our likely cause is going to be probably a clog. We want to begin by checking the exhaust pathway. The next code on our list here is the ADC error low code. The sensor could be from the mixed or inert. This is essentially caused by a lack of gas flow from the control panel. For troubleshooting, we will want to ensure that the shutoff valves on the gas supply panel are open, that our gas cylinders are open, and that our regulators are properly set. Our next code is going to be the TC error open code. The sensor could be TC zone 1, zone 2, or zone 3. This means your thermocouples are unplugged. You do not want to touch anything and contact support immediately. Our next code is error shield, and this sensor is going to be the RTDL door sensor. This is generally displayed during the first 3 to 4 hours of the run. This is in reference to your inlet door being hot. If you're seeing this message outside of that 3 to 4 hour window, you want to confirm that the radiation shield is inserted and contact support immediately. Our next code is the TC error CJ high, and the sensor could be the TZ zone 1, zone 2, or zone 3. This is in reference to the motherboard temperature being too high. At this case, we want to confirm that the facility temperature is within spec and then contact support immediately. The last error we are going to discuss is the TC error CJ low. The sensor again is going to be TC zone 1, 2, or 3. This is in reference to the motherboard temperature being too low. Just like before, we want to confirm that the facility's temperature is within spec and then contact support immediately. If there are any other error codes that you are seeing or not familiar with, as always, please contact support for further information.